Load your family into the 2014 Ford Explorer. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.